How to restrict app permission usage on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can see permission use in plus 24 hours. Tap on it. Now you can see two tabs, permissions and apps. Check apps that are using permission. If you aren't comfortable with any of apps, you can deny the permission or uninstall the apps. In app tab, you can see permission for each app is using on your device. Just tap any app. Here you can see the allow permission on your device. All available permission on your device. Tap on apps tab and tap any app. If you want to change permission, tap on it. Now choose the option if you want to change allow or disallow. It's quite easy, just tap the tab and change the specific app permission on your device. If you don't want to use these settings, go back, tap on a permission manager. Here you can see list of all available options for allow or disallow permission. Tap any option. Here we select camera option. Now in camera option you can see list of apps with permission that can take pictures and record video on a Samsung S23 Ultra. Just tap any option, choose allow only while using app, ask every time don't allow. Also tap on see all camera permission to see list of all permission. Just tap the option and choose the option you want to access for this app. So quite easy to change permission manager setting on your Samsung S23 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.